everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good. Today I get a new toy. Actually my dad ordered it from Flipkart. Today morning it delivered. So I'm very excited to open it. Let's start. Let's open. Oh, it's so hard. Wow, it's so beautiful. I like it. Wow, it is so squishy. Wow, we can pop it. See guys, it is Popit. I love it. Heart shape Popit. So colorful. I can show you how to play. Just pop it like this. Wow, I like to pop. Wow, and the other side it comes. I like to play it. It's so fun. Wow, I'm so happy to get this Popit. It is so nice to pop. I really like it. Thank you Dad for giving me this Popit. It is so nice. I will play with my sister Pogo also. If you want to buy it, then buy from Flipkart. If you like my channel, please subscribe and give thumbs up. Bye.